welcome back to our
channel. So today we're in Solea, and today we're just gonna show you our new earpods.
So this is our room in Solea. So we figure out that we will be doing a video, just a comparison and unboxing for the Samsung earbuds and the Apple AirPods. Okay.
Oh, and guys, so the Apple one is my mom's, and then the Samsung one is my dad's. So let's see a comparison. Which one is better?
This is the Samsung. So we already opened this, but for the sake of this video, we'll just do an unboxing again. So this one is the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I don't know if you can see that. So this is sealed, by the way, and when you open it, so we already used this, so it comes with a Samsung charger. So you will charge this one, and then the cable, and it doesn't have an adapter, so you have
use your own.
Yeah, you can use your own adapter. And then this one is the so this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's noisy.
It's noisy because this is a new building, so just don't mind it. We'll just have to keep going on.
Okay, so this is the box that comes with it. So this is the actual earbuds, and then here's the sorry. So this is the actual earbuds, and then this is
the earbud case, not the earbuds.
Yeah, the earbud case where you can also charge this. Okay.
Yeah, so that's where you charge it to.
This is the earbuds. This is super cute, and you just have to open this.
And ta-da!
So when you charge this will light up.
Yeah.
And then this is the left and the right bud. Okay, so this is so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. And then when it's charging, just put it there and it will charge like a power bank.
Like you just put it there and it will charge. Even though it's like one, it will still charge.
Yeah. And also this one.
And these, you can use one of these like in a day, but if you're like in a gym, you can use two of them. It's really up to you.
Okay, so this one is, I don't know what is this part, but you can actually interchange. You can actually change the what's this?
The ear thing.
The ear thing. The rubbers of the ear.
Wait, what? Which rubber?
This
thing?
Like this.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah. So there are, I think, two. Oops. Oh, I think 2 pairs of each. You can change 2 pairs of each. So if you will lose one, or if the other one is it got broken,
you may change it.
Yeah, you may change
so no worries for breaking it. You can break it as much as you want. Just kidding.
I'm not sure if you can buy these, but I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Oh, here comes the guy of wonders.
The owner of this. So how much did you pay for this? How much is your damage?
6,950.
So this is roughly 6,000 plus in peso. So yeah, this is so cute because he's using the Samsung phone, so he wanted to use the Samsung. This comes with color white and black, and this also has like a Samsung something here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So this is the Samsung earbuds. Let's go to the iStore. So the AirPods comes with this paper bag because we bought it in iStore in SMC side. And this is the receipt. So we have to keep the receipt. Oh no, this is the receipt for this.
This is the receipt for the
Samsung. This is 6,990. We bought this in June Rex. So we have to keep this for warranty daddy.
Yeah.
And we're done with the earbuds. Now let's go to the now go to this one.
This
AirPods.
Oh, and
Apple
guys.
AirPods.
Don't you know, this girl is so sensitive. She doesn't want it to be broken. There's still packaging on it. And I told her to put a little force on it. She still thinks, no, I'm so scared of it because it's super mahal. The box tastes a little bit like plastic.
Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me.
It tastes a little bit good.
Okay, so let's open it. Okay. So it comes with these pamphlets designed by Apple. Designed by Apple in California. So a lot of like
Thingies.
AirPods thingies and pamphlets, things that you don't read usually.
Yeah, I don't read pamphlets. I just look at pamphlets.
This is the actual AirPods. This is so cute. Like I said, Apple is so sleek. It comes with their packaging, so it is all white, and the AirPods is just teeny tiny, like a dental floss. Okay, then you open it. This is the This is where you charge it with the lightning charger. And
That's what I meant, guys. She doesn't throw the plastic.
Okay, so this is the actual earbuds, and then when you, this is the back. Okay, it says here, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And then here's how you open it, and it will light up. And here's the left and the right earbud,
Which looks creepy.
so just do like that. This is the right, and when you want to charge it, you just do like, so it has like a magnet inside, like it's pretty sleek. Okay, so it's charging inside, so you have to charge this so that it serves also like a power bank, and it's really easy to pair with your iPhone. But you can also pair this with your Android, but there are some some applications that are not applicable. So yeah, so this is the AirPods, and this is the Samsung AirPods. Which is which? Okay, so we will do the modeling. Come here. Okay, so let's open this, and
You're looking for a model? Choose me.
Okay, so I'll put this in my ear, and the other one, the right ear.
Literally.
So
That's
here
true.
is the Apple, and this is the Samsung. Okay. How do you? Oh my
It's just
gosh.
like, put it away that it will stick, so that's how you make it.
Okay, so for me, I have been using my Apple AirPods, and this is very comfortable to wear. It's like nothing
Feels
in
it.
there.
But like,
Cannot feel anything.
this one, you have to, it feels something.
Yeah.
No.
So
This one, I think that
you can
it's
feel.
a bit
It look-
uncomfortable for me. Because,
Yeah, it feels little loose.
yeah, because you really have to
Huh?
you really have to stick this in your ear, and it's like you cannot feel anything or you cannot hear anything. But you can adjust this, like the ambiance of it, like you want to listen to the people around you, so you can adjust it. But I think this is good when you're doing sports activities,
Yeah.
or you're sure that you're not gonna.
Yeah, you may cheat, like put some on and put your hair like that, so that when you run, people will tell you where the way to go. Like, okay, you can like call somebody like, excuse me, where to go? I can't go anywhere.
Okay. So if I were to choose, I would choose this one. This is a little bit
Yeah.
pricey. This is around 9,000 plus, and this one is almost 7,000, like 2,000. 2,000 plus dollars, 2,000 pesos more. I like the design of this. It's a bit comfortable without the wires, but I don't know if that's really nice. Yeah. So guys, that's our video for the it's not really a comparison, it's just an unboxing and first impression thoughts. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye. Please
subscribe, like, and share. Please watch all our videos and subscribe.